This is At Home with Evelyn. For more real estate tips and tricks, please like, subscribe, and please share. We can all benefit from great knowledge. We would love to have you back to be a part of our journey of building a healthy, wealthy mindset community that will help us all prosper together. This is Evelyn Horn James of Keller Williams, and today I want to go over some step-by-step guides to having a successful open house. An open house is a great opportunity for a real estate agent to showcase their home, and the great thing about it is open to the public. When you host an open house, there are a few steps that's very important. The first step is you want to set up the perfect time to display your open house. I would say the most popular time as it stands right now is Saturdays and Sundays, because people are pretty busy during the week and they set up time on Saturdays and Sundays to take care of business, and usually the family is together. I would say if you wanted to choose a good time on Saturday and Sunday, it would probably be between 12 to 2 or 1 to 3 open house seems to be pretty successful. However, there are some tricks that really has been successful, and doing an open house on a Friday night or a Monday night, Friday night specifically, because you might want to get that house on the market and display it prior to that Saturday crowd. Monday nights, the people who couldn't come over the weekend just couldn't make it. You cater to a group of people that work the weekends that want to see the home. I would say the second most important thing would probably be the flyer. When you do your flyer, display the best pictures of the home. Make sure you have the date and time. When you put your signs out leading up to the open house, make sure you have the time on there. We generally place signs out about 10 in the morning, so if someone's riding by, they can clearly see that the open house opens at 1 to 3 or 12 to 2, whatever the case may be, but they will probably more likely drive, look at the house, and then if they're interested, they'll come back during the open house time. Another important thing to know is your market. Know who you're marketing to. If you know who you're marketing to, you can display in the room that caters to that market. For example, if you know that right now most of your audience need a home office, you're going to set up a display in every open house. So why not set that display up in the house that has an office? So when they enter that, they can feel themselves in that space. If you're marketing to someone with kids and you have a good room in the house that can be used as maybe a playroom, then maybe you want to display in that room. When I say display, what do I mean? Display is you have a table. You have all your marketing materials. You have all the information on the current home that's being listed. But maybe you have some brochures about some important things in the community. Maybe there's a rec center down the street. Maybe there's a library 5 minutes away. And you can have some material to give them great information on that community. The last thing I would say, if you need a stager that can come in and put things in certain place, move things around to make the house look more appealing, I think it's very important that you walk through and pay great attention to how the home is set up. You want to make that home as appealing in every way that you can possibly to a buyer. So I'm hoping that these tips really helped you when you do your next open house. And remember, every step is important. Again, thank you for listening, and these are great tips for an open house. My name is Evelyn Horn James. I'm a realtor at Keller Williams, and I can be reached at 757-822-4033. And congratulations, and I hope you have a great next open house.